Have you ever noticed how plants seem to come alive after a thunderstorm? The rain washes them clean, the air feels fresh, and hidden in the storm's power, lightning releases nutrients that give plants a burst of energy. What looks like chaos actually leaves behind renewal. Here's what's happening. Lightning splits nitrogen in the air, turning it into a form plants can actually use. The rain carries it into the soil, feeding their roots. At the same time, rainwater hydrates more deeply than any sprinkler can, loosening the ground and refreshing the whole environment. The result, plants looked energized, revived, and ready to grow. Creativity works the same way. Sometimes we feel stuck, dried out, or uninspired. That's when we need our own thunderstorms. Not lightning and rain, but stepping into an activity we love in a place that feels fresh or unfamiliar. It's like giving your imagination a jolt of energy, unlocking something that was always there, but hidden beneath the surface. Recently, Arnie and I decided to visit a place we hadn't been to in a while, a beautiful desert spot in the Cajon Pass where rail fans like us can watch trains coming from different directions. It's a place where the tracks weave through the valley, each train telling its own story. This time, we wanted to experience it differently. I brought a different camera to film with, and Arnie brought his guitar to play music. Suddenly, this familiar place felt brand new. As I filmed, I began to see with fresh eyes, almost as if a storm had just cleared, revealing new light, new shapes, new possibilities. The desert hadn't changed, but I had. My perspective had shifted. That's the power of what I like to call a creative storm. It wakes us up. It pushes us to notice what's always been there, but in ways we might have overlooked before. What was once familiar became full of discovery again. So here's the challenge. Choose one activity you love, writing, music, photography, painting, and take it somewhere new. Or revisit a space you haven't been to in a while. Pay attention to how different it feels. That shift might be the storm your creativity has been waiting for. Creativity, like a garden, sometimes needs a storm. A little disruption, a new environment, a sudden jolt of energy. That's what makes growth possible. So let the thunder roll in your life. Go somewhere new, do something you love, and watch the sparks of inspiration light up.